How to download and play Pubg Mobile on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play Pubg Mobile on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with search and search for BlueStacks. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first option, which is a download BlueStacks, and here you will have the download option. Make sure to download the BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded your BlueStacks, then you just need to simply go and open up your BlueStacks, search for BlueStacks and then open it up. Once you've opened, you just need to simply go with search games and apps, and here you need to simply search for Pubg. Once you've searched, you will have the Pubg Mobile right here. Just click on it and you will have an option of install from Google Play. Just click on install from Google Play and it will open up the app player. Wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you'll have this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with search for games and apps and then search for Pubg right here. And you will have the Pubg Mobile. You just need to simply click on the Pubg Mobile option. And after that, it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have the install option right here. You just need to simply click on install. And once you click on install, it will start the installing process. So that's how you can download and play Pubg on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.